What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom one more again, and I just ate some Wendy's, so I feel real good right now. We are back with another length check. I didn't even realize I passed my 3-year and 3-month mark of growing my locks, and actually I just passed my 4-year mark of growing my hair in general. I figure I should just keep doing this every 3 months to keep it consistent, and that way I can really track the progress quarterly throughout the year of how my hair is growing and how the length is getting. So let's just jump right into this. Just to remind everyone, 2 years and 9 months, hair was 10.75 inches average. After that, I measured again at the 3-year mark, and my hair was on average 11.1 inches long. So again, front, y'all know how this goes. I'm just gonna use this one. I think this is the same lock that I use each time on the front. I'm thinking so. Good 11 and a half on the right side, or on the front side, not the right side. On the right side, this one, 11. Yeah, 11 inches. Okay, that's not too bad on that side. Now this side, however, oh yeah, this one, this looks nice. Okay. We got 12 inches on this one, so that's not too bad. Overlap on the back. This one is usually the longest one. If y'all remember from the last video, this lock was actually 13 inches, so let's see how far or how long this one's grown, because this is my longest one. Okay, so there's the root. Get out. Y'all, this one's 14 inches. This lock is 14 inches long. That is nice. I'm not mad at all. Let me find the root. Okay. And this one is 11 and a half. Okay, cool. So that's not too bad. That's definitely growth from last time though. Let's see, so if we average that out, that gets us to 12 inches. So my hair is now officially a foot long on average. You know, there's some that are shorter, some that are longer. But if 12 inches of length on average now from 11.1, that's almost a full inch of hair growth in the last 3 months on average. Like, wow. I don't know, I mean, it could be my diet, healthy foods, vegetables, fruits. I've been working out pretty consistently. Well, I've been working out more. 12 inches, that's awesome. I got a foot long of hair. I got a foot of hair now on my head. So for those, you know, who are at the beginning of their lock journey and you're trying to figure out how long it'll take you to get 12 inches of locks, I would say 4 years. At least for me, it took me 4 years to get to this point. Other people, their hair may even go faster and you can get there real quick. Or your hair may even go slower and it might take even more than just 4 years. So that's awesome. Wow. Well, I can't wait to see how long my hair will be in the next 3 months. Well, let's see, it's October. So in January 11th, we'll do another length check and see how long my hair has been then. And also keep in mind that because my hair is locked, it could actually be even longer than this if my hair was just wasn't locked and it was just curly and just natural, just a giant fro, or if I just kept it cornrowed back or whatever. So, well, alrighty then. Thank you all for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys for supporting my content always, and just coming back to the channel is always appreciated. So thank you so much for that. If you have any questions or comments about locks, hair in general, hair cutting ideas or questions, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, wild idea, maybe just click the subscribe button. And if you want to click the subscribe button, right next to it there's this little bell icon. It's a little alert notification. It'll let you know every time I post a video, which is every Monday-ish. These last 4 weeks, I know I've only been posting every 2 weeks, but I've just been very busy with my other jobs. Feel free to share this content if you'd like to. Feel free to follow me on any other types of social media, whether that's Snapchat, Instagram, or Twitter. Probably Snapchat, because Snapchat is pretty fun for me. That's when I have the most fun on that one. So I will see y'all when I see y'all. I will be doing a style tutorial next week. I know I said that in the last video. I'm just trying to figure all this stuff out. Okay, I'm trying to get my ish together so I can, you know, help you out. Okay. So until then, until next time, keep it locked, be breezy, and don't do nothing crazy for Halloween. I know that's coming up in 2 weeks. Don't be no clown. Don't be going around scanning or cheering, okay? Just don't, because too much craziness is going on in the world, all right? We don't need clowns now. We already got enough clowns. You know what I'm talking about. So I'll leave you on that note. Until next time, y'all, peace. Bye.